I'm not afraid to try hard things.
Easy is boring. Easy does not have the impact that this world needs.
I would say that I'm unusually willing to embrace discomfort for a long period of time.
Castelion is aggressive in the way that we approach the problems, and I like that. It's very direct.
I mean, who else is fielding a capability at this speed, at this cost, and on a timeline of relevance?
The best idea wins. It doesn't matter what role you're in. If you can prove that your idea is the best, then that is what happens.
Castelion's truly at the forefront of a generational shift in how our country tests, develops, and fields weapon systems at scale.
It takes a very unique skill set and an incredible group of people to pull something like this off. That's a community I want to surround myself in. Life in general is so incredibly valuable. Being able to go and pursue the things that I dream of in this life is such a privilege, and one that I will do anything I can to protect.
If deterrence fails, we're doing this for the men and women who actually have to go fight. We want to give them every possible advantage to accomplish the mission, survive the fight, and come home to their families.
I'm proud to be protecting not only my own individual interests, but the free world, and that's huge.